This advanced eCourse aims to train professionals working with young people who are at risk of violent radicalization with an emphasis on online grooming. It introduces the concepts of violent radicalization and restorative justice and teaches how to effectively prevent violent radicalization by adopting positive approaches. The eCourse is structured around 5 modules. Each module is composed of 4 to 5 units. A module involves 2 to 3 hours of learning. This eCourse is part of the Erasmus Plus funded Project RADEX, mobilizing against extremism through countering and diverting radicalization of young people. The project is coordinated by the RJ4All International Institute and is delivered in partnership with 4 European partners. Successful completion will lead to CPD certificate. The eCourse takes approximately 15 non-stop hours to fully complete all modules and take the test. There are further reading material that are recommended for additional learning. These could add a further 12 hours of non-stop duration. The eCourse is supported by a free, evidence-based training handbook as well as the ebook. Target groups of the eCourse are professionals, including volunteers, working with youths, professionals working in youth organizations and community centers, practitioners working in the crime prevention area, especially the youth justice system, youth workers, youth educators and trainers who support young people at risk, youth organizations, young people and parents. By the end of the eCourse, the following learning outcomes should have been achieved. Use of inquiry-based and problem-based learning approaches. Accommodate multiple learning styles, work in project-based learning, collaborative learning. Contextualize learning to meet the needs of youth in different contexts. Provide authentic learning opportunities. Present the content in modular small chunks that will be able to provide just-in-time learning. Preparation of learning activities to be carried out either synchronously or asynchronously. Provision of best practices.